So first of all, I would like to welcome everybody back to this very interesting conference. And I'm the moderator of this lesson learned from COVID-19. And I'm a professor at the Technical University in Graz, where we try to understand patient interaction with drug products, how they perceive them, how they use them by intuition, by learning, and also how we can make these products better for patients. So I was very pleased to be invited here, and I would also like to thank Jennifer and the National Academy of Science, Engineering and Medicines, as well as James from the Gerontological Society of America very much for having these sessions, because I think that's a very important thing. So maybe I hope I can share my slide with you. While we were talking about this session, our role as healthcare professionals is to ensure quality, safety, and efficacy of our drug products, healthcare technologies, and the delivery to patients. This is achieved by a defined program, which we normally have in development as well as clinical trials that included patient populations that receive finally the drug to provide scientific and clinical evidence to regulatory authorities and policymakers about our quality of the drug. And so over the past decades, these proceedings had to be adjusted to provide fast access to quite, innovative drugs, like breakthrough therapies, fast-track approvals, new modalities, which without compromising this quality and safety. So we were really getting under pressure. And these new modalities now are what we are dealing with, and innovative digital technology tools have been developed also by technology companies, and they are being evaluated in clinical studies as every drug product, but yet we lack really sufficient clinical and scientific evidence. But since the outbreak of SARS-CoV-2 and COVID, we came to a new situation in which the existing procedures are showing their limitations to secure healthcare provision to public and specifically to older patients. This situation has been triggered by multiple initiatives, as you know, to address the new challenges quickly without compromising on quality, safety, and so forth. And this is a joint ethical responsibility. By acting thoughtfully and in sync with other stakeholders, we have brought and will bring innovative medicines to patients faster. Innovations that will maybe remain post-COVID and might be considered as a quantum leap in healthcare in a few years from now. So in this session, we will hear from different disciplines on how they have contributed to address the situation of COVID, that have a positive impact on patients' quality of life, and specifically on older. And our first speaker is Ms. Harpreet Singh. She is from the FDA, from FDA, and she's an oncologist by training. She is coming from the University in California in San Diego, and the medical at the University of Southern California Keck School of Medicine. And she focused on tumor immunology, biology, including cancer vaccines and immunotherapies. And I would like to give Harpreet the floor, and should I have forgotten something about you, please add this to the introduction. Thank you.